Bedtime at the Swamp by Kristen Crowe, illustrated by Mackie Pametwan. I was sittin' by a swamp just hummin' a tune, with the fireflies dancin' 'neath the fat gold moon, when off in the distance was a splashing sound, so I stood on my tippy toes and looked around. I heard splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Well, my hands were a-shakin' and my heartbeat raced as I leaped through the marshes and a monster chased. When it followed behind me in the sludgy slime, it was rockin' and a-swayin' the entire time. It went splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. So I hid in the branches of a willow tree, and I saw my kid sister staring up at me. She said, "Ma said to fetch you 'cause it's time for bed." "But sis, there's a monster in the swamp," I said. We heard splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Then out crept a shadow from the swampy place. We were scared till we saw our older brother's face. He said, "Ma said to fetch you 'cause it's time for bed." "Quick, hide, there's a monster in the swamp," we said. We heard splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Well, we looked for a monster, wondering where he went, till we spied our two cousins that our ma had sent, saying, "We came to fetch you 'cause it's time for bed." "Watch out, there's a monster in the swamp," we said. We heard splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. So we all sat and shivered 'neath the fat gold moon, and the crickets were chirpin', and the catfish were a-slurpin', and the frogs were a-croakin', and our feet were a-soakin', and the tree was a-stoopin', and my eyelids were a-droopin'. And we clung to each other full of dread and fear. I said, "Hey, do you think we'll spend the night up here?" Then we heard splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. And out sprang the monster that had made us scared, with its big feet a-stompin' and its sharp teeth bared. I yelled, "Help! It's the creature from the Black Lagoon!" But just when we thought we faced certain doom, we heard splish, splash, rumba, rumba, big, bam, boom. Splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Then out of the darkness stomped my dear old ma. She burst through the cattails and cried, "Aha! I've been trying to get you children home to bed, and I find you a-hiding in this tree instead." And we went crunch, crash, tumble, tumble, split, splat, sploon. Crunch, crash, tumble, tumble, split, splat, sploon. Well, Ma looked us over saying, "No one's hurt, but I don't think I've ever seen so much dirt. Now all of you go and get washed up for bed, and that goes for your new playmate too," she said. So he went splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom, and we went splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. And I went splish, splash, rumba, rumba, bim, bam, boom. Click. The end.